Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, how to make a perfect omelet. This video was made back in April 27th, 2013. Coming up on 7 years, and that's why I'm here. Where's my finger? There it is. Check it out. Over 10 million views. I'm not kidding. Hey, Mike Foster here. We're talking about my perfect omelet. Now, 2013, 7 years ago, I was doing some perfect egg recipes. I was still a vegetarian at the time. I'm no longer a vegetarian, and I have videos explaining why I'm not a vegetarian. But at the time, I ate a lot of eggs. I still eat a lot of eggs, as you know. I'm the fried egg sandwich king. But in 2013, in April, I put up I show people how to make an omelet, and I called it a perfect omelet. A lot of people have said it's not perfect, but a lot of people have said it is perfect. In fact, how many comments have I gotten here? I have gotten on this video, let's take a look at it. First of all, it's got over 66,000 likes, 9,000 dislikes. Those are for the weird people. And it's got almost 11,000 comments. Wow. That's a lot of comments. But I'm going to tell you, almost 90% of the comments are positive. I've had so many people tell me, Mike, you taught me how to make an omelet. Mike, I did this for Mother's Day. Mike, I did this for my father. I did this for my wife. I did this for my husband. I'm 10 years old. I learned how to make my first omelet. It's the greatest feeling in the world. Also, it's great to have a very popular video. Over 10 million views. Now, there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube that get a lot more views than that, but there's a lot of them that don't get anywhere near 10,000 views or even a million views. 10 million views in 7 years. It's fantastic. And the great news is it's still more popular than ever. If you Google how to make an omelet, it comes up. If you go on YouTube and say omelet, it comes up there. But the great thing is the people that watch it, the majority of them, over 90%, and you know YouTube, there's a lot of trolls out there in YouTube and in social media. There's people just want to be negative, but the positive feedback is fantastic, so I'm thrilled. So I'm celebrating 10 million views for my perfect omelet recipe. I'm looking forward to 10 million more. So check out all my other videos. Besides my omelet, perfect omelet, I've got hundreds and hundreds of egg videos. I've got over 1,000 videos. I've got videos about everything. I'm not called Mike the Egg Sandwich King or How to Cook. I'm called Live Life 365. And that means that my channel is all about living life 365, every day in every way, and doing something great every day. Be it food, be it reading, be it self-help, be it just being more positive, getting things done. And I know in these times, it seems very, very tough to stay positive, but you gotta. And you gotta eat your eggs, and you gotta check out this omelet. And I appreciate all my followers, all my subscribers, all the people who have watched this video. And I'm pretty excited. 10 million views. 10 million more. And until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hey, Mike Foster here. Oh, I got the TV on the background. Let's cover there. Let's play it. Let's see how it goes. All right, let's see a young Mike 7 years ago. That's not him. There he is. Oh my God, I've gained weight, haven't I? There he is. Look at this guy's face. My gosh, that's Mike Foster. Yeah, that's cheese, Mike. What else you got? Let's see. Let me see this omelet. The best part is at the end. There it is. When he takes the bite and it falls. There it is. There it is. Watch it. He's almost there. Let's see. Takes one bite. There you go. And then this one falls, and everybody makes fun of it. Did I do it on purpose? No. But check it out. All right, here we go. Okay, one last bite. Everybody, let's put it to the camera. There it is, and okay. Here's Mike, can't stop talking. Let's show it. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Oh, it wasn't that one. It's this next one. There you can see. 2013. Okay, that's the last one. And it fell.